Assam Rifles today have made a clarification regarding the video circulated in social media in the past 2 days by one of its soldiers. The individual is in question and has been punished for unsoldierly behavior in the past. The issue highlighted by the individual is baseless and has been done with malicious intent towards the organization and its fellow soldiers.
A video live streamed on Facebook by one of the soldiers of Assam Rifles is being shared on social media with an intent to malign the force. The individual in question is a habitual offender and has been punished for indiscipline and unsoldierly behavior in the past. The issues highlighted by the individual are baseless and have been done with malicious intent towards the organization and its fellow soldiers. Assam Rifles is a responsible organization and has a well-established and time-tested system and procedures for addressing grievances, complaints and concerns of its personnel, if any. The instant case of gross indiscipline and unsoldierly conduct by the individual involving inappropriate behavior and damaging of government property will be dealt with as per the laid down procedures, orders and instructions on this subject. Jai.
The weather report.